Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet on your Nodepay. How do you connect your wallet on your Nodepay? Now let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to connect your Solana wallet to your Nodepay. So what you need to do is, now the first thing is I'm going to show you how to do it on the system. How to connect your Solana wallet on your system, on your PC, on your computer. So let's get started. What you need to do is, let me show you my camera now. Now this is it. So what you need to do is, now this is it. You log into your Nodepay. Once log into your Nodepay, you need to come to here, which is your earning. Click on your earning. Once you click on your earning, it's going to take you here. So let me show you. Now the first thing is, you have to verify our email, which is I have verified my email. You can see that this pin is being marked, so I'll verify my email. The next thing you need to do is here, so we should connect your wallet. So click on connect wallet. Sorry guys, so I need to open this page very well. So now this is how you should connect your wallet. Let me show you. You just have to click on here, which is connect. So you can see, so just click on connect wallet. So what you need to do is you have to verify. You need to verify that you are human. Once you verify this, now choose the wallet you wanted to. You can see, choose a network or connection method. Okay, so what you need to do is, you can see you have to enter your Solana network. So how do you enter your Solana network? So if you haven't have your Solana wallet address before, you can go and search on our video. You're going to see how to open your Solana wallet. But if you already have, just have to go and copy it and paste it. So let me show you how to copy it and paste it. So what you need to do is, you come to your Solana here, which is your software. This is all. You're going to see, once you log into your Solana wallet, you're going to see your main wallet here. Just click on copy. You can see this here. Click on copy. It's around here. If you're using your phone, you can do the same, but I'm going to show you on our next video. So just click on this. You can see it has copied. Now you go to your Nodepay and you go and double click and you paste it here. This is it. Was a just click on confirm. You can see. Once you click on confirm, you can see, you need to see that my wallet is being connected very easily. So we can connect our photo, we can connect our biscuit. I'm going to show you how to do all that in our next video. So I'm going to click on feel human. The next thing I'm going to do is click on confirm. So now I've already added the wallet. I'm going to show you now. So let's go back. Let's go back. You're going to see that, yeah, this is it. Our wallet is being connected. It's very, very easy. This is being connected. Very, very easy. So we have to confirm our wallet now. To say confirmation, after confirmation, you have to send to confirm your wallet, you have to send an email to your email address. Just click on send email. Let's click on send email. So we're going to go to our email now. I'm going to go to my Gmail to go and find the verification. So just go to your email directly. Once you go to your email, sorry guys, you just have to do that. Make sure you verify your wallet so that to be able to be sure that your wallet has been connected. So I'm going to open my email. You're going to see that my wallet is being connected now. Now let me go there. And this is it. So you come to your email and you're going to see confirm your wallet. Just click on confirm your wallet. And you can see it's going. And it's going to take you directly to our Nodepay back now. Oh guys, sorry for that. And you can see wallet has been verified. You can see once you're done, click on return to dashboard. We can see now here, this is it. You can see this is it. Let me show you. I'm going to go to my earning. I'm going to show you now. You can see wallet has been connected. You can see email verification, and this is it, and this is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. Thank you guys.